Hello, welcome to the woods, welcome to the adventure. Great to be with you out here, enjoying the fresh air, the scenic wilderness. The sun is shining, lots of rolling hills throughout this landscape where I'm hiking today, and many layers of history actually here as well. Very interesting history. Cold War era history here, that's right. You see, during the 1950s, the 1970s, in the Cold War, there was a radar facility built atop of one of the hills here. It was one of the tallest points of elevation in this area of Florida at the time. And the radar facility was operated by the U.S. Air Force as part of the nationwide network of air defense early warning surveillance radars. The intention of the base was to watch the skies for attacking Soviet bombers. And thanks in part to this radar network all across the country, no attack ever came. Due to the curvature of the earth, as well as hills, river valleys, and other obstacles, gaps existed at lower elevations where the long-range radars could not detect targets. So these radar sites at these areas, such as this, were vital to the defense network during the Cold War era. Now today the radar facility is long gone. So it's interesting to learn about the history that once took place in this area. It's a busy and active place. Very peaceful today. Let's take a journey into these woods. Roaming through these woods, now this area appears to open up just up ahead. You can see for great ways throughout the wilderness. Lots of rolling hills here. Now there is a charred landscape. There's a wildfire here recently, so a lot of the forest is burned away. It will come back. It's interesting to see it like this. You can see it open up here in some of the hills through the trees now. A lot of this is burned away. It's like a different world out here, seeing this area burned up. The landscape has been altered. Just like in the past when this area was dug up for mining. You can see all the evidence from that. Walking down into this area here that was dug up. Some massive boulders out here. Lots of rocks. Interesting features in this area. Let's take a look over here. Climb around this area, on top of this cliff-like formation. You can see for a great ways into the woods here from up here. Really neat climbing around these areas. It's important to be careful. Places like this, easy to slip on these rocks. Let's climb up on top of here, get grand views of the surrounding wilderness. Whew, you see what I mean? You gotta watch it. Getting a workout out here, climbing these hills. Making our way up to the top of this one for some really amazing views of the forest here. Now this section hasn't burnt up, so it's really nice to see it. Climbing to the top of this hill, spectacular views here. Opens right up. is incredible. Walking around these areas, it's almost like walking through a valley here, surrounded by these rolling hills on either side.